All right, let's go over the exit ticket. So number one, the Browns went out to eat at Chili's. If the bill was $58.65, can't see the number now. $58.65, so that's important. And they want to give their server a 15% tip. What was the amount of the tip? So this is just a one step. So all you have to do is 15% times 58.65. So here's one thing. It's not going to be bigger than this because even 100%, that would be that number. So it can't be D, can't be B. And honestly, if you think about it, what's 50% of this? It's going to be a little more than 25. So it really can't be even C. So the answer should be A. You can check it with your calculator. 15%. Good thing about this is you hit that. Of means multiply. 58.65. And the answer is 8.7975, but you have to round it to be money. So that this number right here means the 79 would become 80. Number two, Rihanna spent $205.60 at Target. If the sales tax is 6%, what was her final bill? So this is a two-step. So step one, we find 6% times 205.60. That's going to tell us the tax. So we type that into Desmos. And we get $12.34 because we have to round that. So that's our tax. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add that to her total, which was 205.60. So 205.60 plus the sales tax will give us her total bill. So what I can do is I can take that answer and add it to the 205.60. And I get $217.94. So the answer is C. You could have eliminated this because it has to be more than what she spent. Couldn't have been B either. So number three, Tiana buys a new dress for $39.98. How much does she pay if there is a 7% tax? So this is a two-step because it says how much does she pay, not just how much is the tax. So we're going to find 7% of $39.98 first. So all you have to do is type that into your calculator. 7% of 39.98, and it's $2.80. So that's how much tax she's going to pay, is $2.80. Now we're going to add that to the price of the dress, which was $39.98, and that'll tell us how much she paid in total. So we take that tax, we're going to add it to the $39.98. We get $42.78, which is answer choice D. Once again, the price of the dress was $39.98. This isn't even the price of the dress, so that can't be, neither of these are. So it can't even be any of those answer choices because her total price has to be more than what she paid for the dress. Number four, let's clean this up a little bit. Darius received $150 for his birthday and wants to buy a scooter, but does not know if he has enough. The price of the scooter is $135. The tax is 8%. Does he have enough money? So we need to find, this is going to be a two-step. So we're going to find 8% of 135 and we're going to add it on. So let's go ahead and get that going. 8% of 135 is $10.80. So we need to take that and add it to the price of the scooter. Because when you go to check out at a store, they're going to add on the sales tax. And his total price would be $145.80. So if he has $150, then yes, he has enough money. All right, I hope that helped you guys. I'll see you in class.